So I thought I would shoot an intro to my intro video, and it'll make sense as I go along here. So on a recent trip, I found this leather supply shop, and it's more than a leather supply shop. This is a leather crafter that also has a design studio. And one of the cool things about it is Sara and Mellissa's shop. They have a workshop area there where they teach bag making and design. And then also they make prototype wallets and such for people that are looking for something maybe special for their shop. So it's Sara and Mellisa, and I'm going to put a link in my description to their shop. And if nothing else, go check it out. Maybe send a note to Sara and Mellisa and let them know that you have found their shop. And I think they have some really nice supplies. So I hope you like today's video. Thank you. Hello, I'm Robert, and you're welcome here in my busy little shop. Well, as you can see today, I'm not in my shop. I'm in a special location. I'm going to give some hints along the way, but I'm going to see if you can figure out where I'm at based off of those hints. So we're going to take just a quick walking tour of the shop here. I'm in buying some hardware for some special projects coming up down the road. A large selection of unique hardware that I don't find from my typical suppliers. I literally had to travel halfway around the world to find this shop. Some beautiful colors of chrome tan leather here. While I have a lot of selections available to me online, it's hard to find a place to shop for these unique leathers in person. It's a beautiful red. And a little workstation here. They make prototypes of different projects, and there's some on the bench. I'm not going to show those because that's work in progress for someone else. I like these knives.
Those are British.
Is that British made?
Yeah.
Here's a selection of hardware I'm looking at today. Some pretty unique designs here. I'll have to see what I come up with it. That new red leather that I purchased from Montana Leather, I think will make a great addition to this hardware, or vice versa.
You want to see the bag, sweetie?
Yeah, that'd be great. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed this short video on a local leather shop that I visited while on vacation. I'm going to put some information on contact here. They do have supplies, and they had some unique hardware and unique leather. And I've made a couple purchases. Watch in the future, I'll have a bag I'm going to be making out of very unique leather, something I've never used before. I appreciate you taking time to be in the shop today. Please like, share, and subscribe. But more importantly, have a great day.